Travel hacking is not for everyone. I'm going to go through in this video exactly who it's a good fit for and what you need to know before you get started. If you're new here, hi, I'm Katie from Katie's Travel Tricks, and I'm here to teach you and your family how you can use your everyday spending, leverage it, and travel more for less money using credit card points. So let's get to it. The ground rules is what I consider to be the bare minimum, the things that you need to do in order to be successful in this hobby. The first thing you should be asking is this travel hacking, is this the right hobby for me? And some prerequisites that I recommend would be, first of all, that you have a good hold of your finances. There's a whole lot of research out there that shows that a lot of people, when given a credit card, will spend beyond what they have budgeted or beyond what they can afford. This doesn't work for you as a hobby if you haven't been able to find good ways to keep your spending in check while using credit cards. The second thing is you need to have a pretty good credit score already in order to get approved for some of the best cards in travel hacking. I recommend kind of holding off unless your credit score is at least 740 in that range. If it's lower, I have a section later on that will recommend certain cards that you can use to begin to build your credit. Once you have those aspects, here's the 3 ground rules and sort of what I think you need to be successful here. The first one is that you need to be mindful of your credit score and keeping it high. You need to be making sure you're staying on top of that. The second one plays into your credit score, and that's that you always need to pay your bills on time and in full. Cards that you'll get for miles and points have astronomical interest rates. And if you don't pay them off in full, you've basically lost, because any value you're getting from your points is going to be lost in the interest rates. So you'll need to be doing that every month. The third thing is you have to stay organized. You'll be getting different points from different banks or different airlines and hotels. You need to keep track of all of that, as well as due dates for your credit cards. Now, don't get worried. I know when you start a new hobby, it can feel overwhelming to stay organized. I'm going to give you exactly the tips and tools that I use to stay organized, because if you're like me, you're busy. You don't have a lot of time to invest in a whole new figuring out how to stay organized. So that's what I'm here to help you do. This video is part of my free course, which you can find at learn.katiestraveltricks.com. Don't forget to subscribe so you can see more videos just like this.